fenugreek Thambuli. Fenugreek, that is this, fenugreek. To prepare this fenugreek Thambuli, again it is an easy recipe and very fast also. You can do within under 5 to 10 minutes if the ingredients are ready. Now following are the ingredients for fenugreek Thambuli. I have taken little curd, that is around 2 cups of curd, 2 to 3 green chilli ripened, little asafoetida, around 1 spoon of fenugreek, little salt, little coconut, and finally for seasoning, little mustard, red chilli and curry leaves with coconut oil. Now this fenugreek we have to fry a bit along with fenugreek and along with this chilli. You have to fry this and then you have to grind it with the rest of the ingredients. Now I have fried this fenugreek and this chilli together. I am adding towards this mixie. Again along with I am adding this coconut scrape. Again this asafoetida, salt, curd, season it. In Kannada we call it as Menthya Tambuli in our language. At the same time in Malayalam we call it as Ulva Morikari, that is fenugreek Tambuli. So I think everybody enjoyed this particular recipe very much. Thank you.